Palatine Hill. Got my headset. Good to go. This part looks like a castle. I love castles. Hi. Good morning from sunny Italy and day 2 of our trip into Rome. We're just catching the bus and the Metrolink now into the centre, and then we're maybe going to go and get some food, but we've got a tour booked for, around the Coliseum, Roman Forum and Palatine Hill with Get Your Guide. So we're going to hopefully have a very informative couple of hours.
Hydration.
Make sure you keep hydrated. It's very warm.
Little and often. Or all at once.
Love a pretty metro station. This is the restaurant that we had lunch in. We came at a good time because now there is a huge queue. And for very good reason. It was amazing. This is episode 2 of drinks reviews because I did the same in Japan with the peach water. This is amazing. It's got little pieces of fruit in it. We've only seen it in little stores, but they do loads of different flavours. Oh, amazing. So refreshing. Try to get water. Oh, there's wasps. I love how it just continuously runs so you don't have to touch anything. Anyway, we've just come to the spot to go and meet our guide. We're a little bit early, so we're going to get some water and get ready. We've been given these nice little stickers because they're the red English group. And then we're going to go in. Don't know which one we're doing first.
No, we'll find out when we get here.
We'll find out. But I'm just going to find some shade now to wait
Forward
for
to it.
It's a very nice area though.
Got the forum in the background there. We'll be seeing more of you later, pal.
We'll be back. Got my lanyard. Got my headset. Good to go. This was the heart of the Roman city. Mark's made a friend. Not a very fun friend. A very stingy friend. All of the information that he's telling us is coming straight through to the headset, so you don't have to stay really, really close to the guide, which is great. And it's really informative. You can just walk and look and listen to the information instead of gathering around a guide and stopping all the time.
Often flooded. Later this forum was sold, 6th century BC, with the building of the first big sewer of the city, running on the right.
Here's the reconstructed image. And this is what it looks like now. It is boiling. Everything's outside now.
This goddess, and she was the goddess of the domestic fire, but also of the public fire. In this small temple, it was a sacred fire. This sacred fire was really important for the house. It was alone, and but there was a problem. Minor problem with the execution because the blood was sacred. And like a hidden place.
Yeah. So would these be dungeons?
library, and it was the most expensive stone of the antiquity, simply because it came from really from inner Egypt. Expensive, but also loved by the emperors who used it.
Oh, these broken parts.
The bronze doors are also important, simply because it was.
You hear all the birds? We've just seen a really cool, colourful bird. Walking up the hill. These are the remains of the Imperial Palace. This is very cool to see. Very cool. The guide is very informative. It's just very fast paced. I was talking to the camera. Just said it's very fast paced, like you just keep moving and moving and moving. But you fit a lot in, so. This is the old dining room of the palace, and that's the floor with coloured marble. Imagine a big chandelier there, big dining table. Glad I didn't drop the camera then. Ah, music's still playing.
The original level is more or less 4 meters underneath. But the only area that was excavated was that one. Maybe if if they dig in other parts, they will find something.
This part looks like a castle. I love castles. Oh, I love them. I nearly lost my group, they went without me. It's very fast, very fast. I love the trees that are around the buildings. It goes really well. The palace is quite big. As you can imagine, palaces do tend to be. There's a lot that you can see actually. We don't have a clear answer to the question of what this actually is in the palace. Maybe a garden? And maybe a riding ground. Anyone else has any guesses? Write in to Visit Italy Tourist Board. Tour started at 2:30, it's now 3:45 and we've done the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. We're just having a quick break now and then going to the Coliseum, and it's 2.5 hours in total for the whole tour. All the olive trees. Bridge. Time for the Coliseum! Yeah! This is what I've been waiting for. This is where we're going. Colosseum Mall.
No, le persone pensavano.
Coliseum time, Coliseum time, Coliseum time. So this is the original part of the Colosseum, and this is the part that got reconstructed when it collapsed. You can see the difference in colour and the difference in material that was used. Part of it was destroyed during an earthquake, the outer side. Look at this. That's the underground section. This is amazing. Definitely worth the arena upgrade. You can also go into the underground tunnels, but they weren't available when we booked. We booked really late. Definitely worth it though. So this gives an example of what the steps used to look like. And they would have been all the way around there.
Yes, almost up to the top.
During the events as well, they used to have sails above here that would come across and shield you from the sun. I can imagine it would still be ridiculously hot though, because it is boiling.
But we don't know where, because no sure remains.
Are we going upstairs now? Yeah. Oh, it's so much cooler in here. Up we go. My version of the Spanish steps. There you go. So you did some steps. There is a lift if you need it rather than taking the stairs. There's more stairs. A reconstruction of what it would have looked like with all of the statues in the windows. Did you think it was worth it?
Oh, absolutely. I loved everything, especially the Palatine Hill. There's loads of stuff up there that I didn't even know were there. Like all that, like extra 10 palaces at the top and that. I mean, I knew about the Golden House and that, but I didn't realise it went all the way up to there. Yeah.
Did you think it was worth it?
One question. Yeah, it was really worth it.
Oh, yes. Oh, he's got a question.
Like,
That was a very good tour, very informative, just the right length, not too long, not too short, and now we're in the Coliseum. We've got 2 hours until it closes and we can wander around as we please. So yeah, very happy. We booked it through Get Your Guide and used the app, so we didn't need any tickets. It was just on our phone when we got here, and we didn't even have to show them. They already had us listed on there. Very good. Would recommend it. This is the view from the top. I have to reach my arm up because I'm only small. I'm only little. How did it only take 10 years to build?
Easy. Please. My stock answer to every Roman question.
to our Rome adventure. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see where we next end up.